In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Ryanair if you want to view prices in a different currency. While browsing the Ryanair website, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. Ryanair usually sets the currency based on the country or market version of the website you're currently using. So changing the currency typically means switching to a different country or language market. To begin, go to the official Ryanair website. Make sure you are on the main site and wait for the page to fully load so all of the navigation options are visible. This is important because the setting you need is usually located in the header area of the website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a country or flag indicator there. This area represents the current regional version of the Ryanair site you're viewing. In many cases, the selected country determines not only the language, but also the currency shown for fares, extras, and other travel-related charges. Click on that country or flag indicator to open the market selection options. Take a moment to review the available countries or regional settings. If your goal is to see prices in a specific currency, choose the country or language market that uses that currency. For example, if you want pricing in euros, you would select a market where euros are the standard currency. If you want another currency, choose the corresponding country version of the site. After making your selection, the website should refresh or redirect you to the chosen regional version. Once it updates, the prices displayed across the site should reflect that market's currency. This can help you better understand the cost of flights and any additional services before you continue with your booking. One helpful tip is to double check the currency after the page reloads, especially before payment, since websites can sometimes update pricing based on route, departure country, or final checkout conditions. So even if you've changed the market, it's a good idea to confirm that the currency shown matches what you expect. And that's all there is to it. To change the currency on Ryanair, simply visit the official website, find the country or flag indicator in the top right corner, and select the country or language market that uses your preferred currency. Once the site updates, you should be able to browse with pricing shown in that region's currency.